Welcome to the First Home Savings Account page. In this video, we'll walk through all the steps to accurately input all the details surrounding your First Home Savings Account, or if you don't have a First Home Savings Account but are eligible, what inputs and steps to take. If you do have an existing First Home Savings Account, please select Yes. Next, indicate the year that you opened your First Home Savings Account. You can then input the total value of your First Home Savings Account. If you've already made contributions to your First Home Savings Account this year, please indicate how much you've contributed so far. If you have any unused contribution room for this year or from the previous year, please input the combined total contribution room still available. If you've maxed out your First Home Savings Account and have no more contribution room left, please select No. You can then indicate the growth rate you'd like to simulate your First Home Savings Account growing year over year. By default, it will grow by 6%. However, you can come in and manually change that if you wish. As you navigate down the page, you can then simulate the purchasing of your first home. You can select the year you'd like to simulate purchasing your first home and the estimated purchase price of your first home. You will then see an automated table appear calculating the down payment of your first home. If you'd like to manually override the down payment, you can come in and click and update it if you wish. And finally, please input what you're currently paying in rent each month. This will allow the algorithm to stop the monthly payments once you purchase your home and are now paying a mortgage. If you're currently not renting, you can leave this blank. Once all required fields are completed, select Next. Now, for those who have a First Home Savings Account but have no intention of actually purchasing their first home and want to simulate converting it to an RSP, you can select when you plan to purchase your home, navigate down to the bottom of the drop-down list, and identify you want to convert it to your RSP. At the end of your 15-year eligibility for the First Home Savings Account, this will then automatically be converted to your RSP. Now, for users who do not currently have a First Home Savings Account but are eligible, you can identify you don't have a First Home Savings Account, you are eligible, and then go through the steps previously covered in the video about purchasing your first home and simulating the down payment. If you don't have a First Home Savings Account, are eligible, but have no plans of purchasing a home in 15 years, you can select No. We will then simulate opening the First Home Savings Account to take advantage of the tax benefits and then convert that to your RSP in 15 years. If you don't have a First Home Savings Account and are not eligible, please indicate your eligibility to No.